Mukomo wa Manurse ula Withiitwe Utwaaiw'e kwa Mithenya Mbee wa Ikumi Niwathela Itina wa Ngwatanio ya Manurse Kwiw'ana na Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku Vala Manurse Mavaniiwe Kusyokethya Maundu ma Uiiti na Mituki undu Itonyekana kwena na mwaniki wila Ngwatanio Michael Saka mosa itambia ya kuungamia Mukomo kunenga Silikali Utwaaiw'e amama maunyungu nyesio mo Dan Mwongela nukutueleze.
Dr. Muyenda Mbukiura ni mwandikia Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku ilisekana mawiki ya Wiani wachina wakikalo na Ngwatanio ya Manurse oundumwe na maofisa angima Silikali ino walaku yumunde mewana kana Mukomo suwa ambako mukame na miongo kenda nikenda Silikali kunewa mwana wako yanisia Maundu mekivuthokanio ala manatumite Manurse ya mathi Mukomoni kuvo kwamba tuendeve kweviwa ndivisio sialoni katiwa maunungu nesio angi.
The strike that had affected the provision of medical services within our facilities is now suspended, and we now can stand tall and announce to our people that we expect provision of services in our facilities to resume to normalcy immediately. From the government, this is a major win for us all, because I remember we stood here and we told the world that it was not our will, it was not our wish that we get to where we were, the position at which our nurses had proceeded on strike. We would do what could be done to bring that to an end, and we are happy that we are at a point where we can say it is now back to business.
Kena na mwene kivila wa Ngwatanio ino Mike Saka nikana Maundu ma Uiiti Mavaniiwe Kusyokea kwa Mituki leto nikana wala wakule Manurse onde Masyokethya Wiani nungu Mukomo na hivyo Niwathela.
So most of the items, in fact all of the items which are raised in our strike notice, we have come to an agreement. And as such, we would like to inform our members that we have agreed with our employer to suspend our strike for a period of 90 days so that our employer can implement what we've agreed upon. And to our members, we are requesting you to resume duty immediately and not later than 48 hours. So I would like to report to the people of Machakos and the country in general that Kenya National Union has officially suspended the strike and medical care will resume immediately.
Naki Minister Mbee wa Uiiti niwalesekana uwo kaitina wa Governor wa Kaunti ya Masaku kwitha makwatite mbau ikenda kumantha usungi wa mathina rama neme kumbilite na kutuma Manurse asumathi Mukomoni.
Nitungia Governor waitu wa binyo andeti nondo tunenga mwanya uyu na kututwika pamwe na union ya nurses twabikia kwitikilana na twasaini nikana Masyokethya Wiani ngutungia mubea oso nurses maitu alani twisinima kuna awe ya mwingi na we ya museo na tuendea na umathuthi ya maende na kutethia ene maitu kwisila Uiitini na kila kingi ngwenda kwetanika na hospitali maitu onthe mena ndawa cia kutosha kwa wala mena bata ma kuitwa mabikie kuthi hospitali ni maitu na nimekuitwa na mainewa ndawa.
Daniel Mwankila, Mutungu TV, kuva hospitali ni wa Machakos Level 5 Kaunti ni ya Masaku.